Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier G2BT Bluetooth gaming wireless headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not pairing with Bluetooth, or they're not connecting or syncing with your phone or other device, they keep disconnecting. Any issues like that can very often be fixed with this factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, for whatever reason, delete all of the pairing history off of them so that you can set them up as a new set of headphones on a new device or something like that. We can go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do. The headphones need to be on, but they cannot be connected to Bluetooth when you do this. So you may want to turn the Bluetooth off on whatever devices you've had it connected to before so that it does not connect to them and interfere with the reset. So once the headset is on and not connected to anything, you're just going to come in and press and simultaneously hold the volume down and volume up buttons underneath the ear pad and just hold it for 3 seconds. After those 3 seconds, you can release. The headphones will reset, and then you can go ahead and pair them and connect them like you're just doing a new set of earphones coming out of the box.